Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Engineering Network. I am back with another interesting topic. So in today's lecture I will be talking about how many bricks are required in 1 cubic feet of brickwork. Now in my previous lecture I have explained how many bricks are required in 1 cubic meter, and then many friends asked me that I should also make a video on number of bricks in 1 cubic feet. And also, if you want me to calculate the number of bricks in a wall or in a room, then let me know in the comment section. So in today's lecture, I will explain number of bricks in 1 cubic feet of brickwork. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for more civil engineering videos. Okay, so in today's lecture I will be talking about how to calculate number of bricks in 1 cubic feet of brickwork. Now we know that the standard size of a brick in inches are 9 inches by 4.5 inches by 3 inches. Here 9 inch is the length of the brick, 4 inch is the width of a brick, and 3 inch is the depth of a brick. And this size is before the mortar is applied to a brick. Okay, so when we apply mortar to a brick, then its size will definitely increases, and we know that the thickness of a mortar layer that are commonly provided are 0.08 inches. Okay, so the new size of a brick after applying the mortar will becomes 9.08 inches by 4.58 inches by 3.08 inches. Okay, so this is a simple and brief description of a brick size in inches. Now let's move forward and see how many bricks will be required in 1 cubic feet of brickwork. So as I told you that the standard size of brick is 9 inches by 4.5 inches by 3 inches without applying mortar. And the size of brick when mortar is applied to it is 9.08 inches by 4.58 inches by 3.08 inches. Now in order to calculate the number of bricks, I will use the size of brick with mortar applied to it. Okay. So the volume of a single brick with mortar is equal to length into breadth into height. Here the length is 9.08 inches, width or breadth is 4.58 inches, and height of a brick is 3.08 inches. So after putting all these values and doing little bit calculation, the volume of a single brick with mortar will becomes 128 cubic inches. So this is the volume of a single brick with mortar is applied on each side of it. Next is I have to convert the volume of brickwork, which is 1 cubic feet, into cubic inches. And for that I have to do little bit unit conversion here. Because if you look at the volume of a single brick, it is in inches, and to calculate the number of bricks I have to either convert the volume of a single brick from cubic inches to cubic feet, or I have to convert the volume of brickwork from cubic feet to cubic inches. So here let's convert this cubic feet into cubic inches. Okay, and we know that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So the volume of 1 cubic feet in cubic inches is equal to 12 inches multiplied by 12 inches multiplied by 12 inches. And after doing simple calculation, the volume of brickwork in cubic inches will be equal to 1728 cubic inches. Okay, so this is the volume of brickwork in cubic inches. Now I have the volume of a single brick and also the volume of brickwork as well. So now I think I am ready to calculate the number of bricks in 1 cubic feet. So the number of bricks is equal to volume of brickwork in cubic inches divided by volume of single brick in cubic inches. Here the volume of brickwork is 1728 cubic inches and the volume of a single brick is 128 cubic inches. Okay, so 1728 divided by 128 and the number of bricks will be equal to 13.5. So now I can say that 13.5 bricks will be required in 1 cubic feet of brickwork. And it is also a proof of the fact that 13.5 bricks are required in 1 cubic feet. So I hope this lecture will clear your concept, and if you have any question then let me know in the comment section. Also, if you find this video informative then please like this video, share it, and also if you are new to my channel then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss a notification whenever I upload a new video. See you in the next video.